best steak tartare has a special ingredient that takes this classic dish to the next level: quail eggs. Alright, now for the ingredient to bring everything together. I think the quail egg to the tartare adds a nice silky texture to it. It's almost like having